What's up YouTube, Felipe here. This is Stargist, and in today's episode, I made S&M pressurized rubber shooting chicken air gun. You can make your own following instructions that I put on the Instructables. So here he is, guys. He's loaded with glitter, and as you can see, it's a pressurized air gun using some simple parts and things that I had from stuff lying around the house, a couple things from the 99-cent store, and I did have to make a Home Depot run for the tubing and little connectors here. But all in all, a relatively little cheap build.
Isn't that right, ladies and gentlemen?
Let me show you the wonderful world of the things that I got here. From the 99-cent store, little rubber chicken guy. Got this little canister, Home Depot. Filled these guys with the tubes. I think I'm gonna use this like a little hopper on a paintball gun to kind of just load into this guy. So it'll be kind of like a paintball gun, if you will. Elbows that I'll use to run the tubing. Little ball and paddle I got. Basically just got it for the red ball to make him S&M chicken, which I'm gonna use this discarded bike tube for his outfit. But I also took the valve off that because it screws into this guy, and it's a little air cartridge, right? Some extras of these because I'll need them. Hot glue gun to glue things and, you know, get it together. But this is what it is. So let's get crafting at what I want to make, right? First things first, I think I'm going to make the ball gag for his mouth. So I'm going to want to take this guy apart so I can get that ball. Because that's going to be the gag that'll make a little leather strap around his mouth with some of this. But since I need to feed the tubing through here, since it already has that hole going through it, I'm just gonna use that as my pilot hole and get my drill bit set so I could drill a bigger hole to fit this guy through it. So first step, that is what I need to do. Sorry, Benny, I broke it. Power, baby. When you need power, think of DeWalt Tools, the #1. Or maybe not the #1, I forgot. But anyways. Drill on, everybody. All right, so that hole, I feel like that was a success. Let me put that into here. So again, feeding this through chicken. There you go. Again, what I'm thinking, or what I want to do, is part of what I'm going to do is embed this inside of his body, right? So then I could have the trigger coming out of his back. I need to make the little hopper on top of this that loads into the tubing here so all the shooter pieces could come out, okay? So what I'm thinking is I'll just use a spare piece of tubing that I'll feed into here. All right, so I figure like right there, if you see that little speck, is where I'm gonna create a connecting piece and connect these two tubes. So I'm gonna hot glue gun this piece onto the top there so my feed hopper is in place. And since I'm gonna make a hopper that loads into the bottom of this guy, what I'm actually gonna do is just drill out a hole on the bottom here. All right, so this is gonna be the hopper, right? And again, what I'm gonna do is attach that to here. All right, so checking if this is airtight. It's not a crack pipe, it's not a chicken crack pipe. So I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut it. And again, this is gonna go beep. Kind of perfect. Chicken hopper S&M gun's getting closer to completion. As you can see, ball gag mouth. Hopper, where hurtful item will be loaded into, BBs of sorts. So, I got these little brackety guys, and I'm gonna put it down in here. So I probably should have left a little more slack so it could go all the way to the end. But I'm just gonna put some hot glue. This is more haste and less science. And it's time to maybe possibly destroy this chicken and make it unstructurally sound. So what I'm gonna do is actually cut a little slot out this way. When I give him his bondage gear, I think I'll cover it up anyway, so you'll be fine. So the idea is this goes inside like, you know. What I need to do now is basically cut out the back of his neck so then I could get this down into here, onto him. So I'm gonna do a little neck surgery on this guy. So we're gonna cut about like that much of his neck off. Again, I'm probably gonna have to get creative with his bondage outfit in terms of just covering him. But cutting him up. Anyway, this guy's $1. I could always buy another one. All right, so I got that in there. So that's hidden inside of his body, right? So that is cool. So what I need to do now is basically, with a little more of the tubing, go here to here, boom, air to there, to out to mouth. Hopper here will load stuff and shoot. It's time to make his cool ass outfit and complete the look. As you can see, his lovely S&M bondage outfit was made using spare part tires, as this is a build that's pretty much all from the 99-cent store and some Home Depot stuff and just stuff lying around. So, Party Poppin' Chicken has also now been loaded with rice in his rice hopper. Imagine this bag is your friends. You can shoot them with high pressurized rice. That would probably hurt. So here we are. Let's shoot that again. So this is a really good way to make a really fast and easy mess. Oh, but as you can see, the floor has been glitterized due to Party Poppin' Chicken. So I'm gonna shoot Party Popper Chicken at this guy at point blank range. Aha! This is crazy. This is probably the last pump of energy this guy has. Let's see. Oh, and let's see that in instant replay. So you can see there's a lot of power in this guy. It's probably dying now. Yep, that was it for Party Poppin' Chicken and the couple cartridges that I got. So no actual chickens were harmed in the making of this. A whole lot of glitter was wasted, a whole lot of rice was shot outside, and a whole lot of glitter got the all over me. So you might be asking, why did I have the calling to put a ball gag in his mouth? Well, it kind of started like this. He had this kind of weird shape. face going on, right? And as I was walking through the 99-cent store, I saw the little ball and paddle, you know, one of those little dudes, kind of things. And I saw the rubber ball and I was like, that would be funny. But then again, I thought about it. I cut this valve off the tire. I got plenty of rubber left. What do you know? Cut some strips out of it. He's got himself a funny little outfit. So again, the materials told me to do it. It wasn't what I wanted to do, okay? I didn't go into this being like, I'm gonna make an S&M bondage rubber party popping chicken shooting air-rized air gun, okay? It's just what happened. So the materials told me to do this. I followed the vision in here and executed this for a whole lot of fun. So get creative with what you could load into your own party popping chicken, you know? There's really no rules to what he could load. Again, this guy was shooting rice too. Pretty interesting. Maybe you could shoot rice at your friends, or it's a wedding and you want to, you know how they throw rice? You're just like, fuck that. And then just blast him with rice. Very possible with one of these. So if you like to have fun and be a little different, a little out there, and have people question your mental sanity, then make a party poppin' chicken, because you will enjoy it and you will have fun. And it's just to have fun for the sake of having fun, because having fun is fun, right? So have fun. That's all I'd say, have fun. All right, guys, I think that's it. Me and Party Poppin' Chicken have had a good time making some weird content. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching Stargist. And who knows what I'll be making next week. Stay tuned. Share this video. Follow me, find me, fiend me.